Free is the best clickbait word on the internet. If you use free in your subject lines, you get a higher open rate. If you use free in your social postings, you get a higher view rate. The problem is then you have to actually give stuff away for free or people get really pissy really quickly. So that's what I'm going to do. It occurs to me that a lot of people don't know that we have this. If you go to solate.com/free stuff, it's free dash stuff, then we have a collection of free resources that are unbelievably valuable. Now, how to pick the best Google Ads agency. This is wildly self-serving, but really, really good content and information. So if you're interested, you can download that. The rest of these, though, are not really seeding the agency. The Ultimate Guide to Performance Max. If you were new to Performance Max especially, this is a great, great, great place to start. PMax is the biggest paradigm shift in advertising history, and so it's really, really important that you know this stuff. The Ultimate Guide to YouTube Ads. YouTube has been the highest lead generation marketing channel I've ever had. We spend, approaching $200,000 a month now just in YouTube alone, and I'm not even driving traffic to ads. I'm driving traffic to tutorial videos, and I'm getting yelled at for it on Twitter, but it's working. The 7 Critical Principles of Effective Digital Marketing. This is my book. This was a 1 bestseller. Book Authority called this one of the top 100 marketing books ever written. You can have it for free. It's yours for free. Our Performance Max SOP. This is the standard operating procedure that our team uses internally with, obviously every client and campaign is going to be different, but you can have that for free. Our Customer Avatar Worksheet. What I like about this, the Customer Avatar Worksheet, first of all, there's a ton of these online. You can get a billion of them, but it comes with tutorial video. So, alongside the worksheet, you can also watch me for way too long explaining to you how to use the worksheet. The Ultimate Guide to Google Ads. This is more of a beginner tutorial for sure. But again, if you're just getting started, this is a great place to start. The 7-step Google Ads checklist. This is a 7-series training on how to audit your Google Ad accounts and campaigns. How to run lead generation campaigns inside of YouTube specifically, step-by-step tutorial. Quick and easy guide to turn features into benefits. This is probably one of the most important things you can learn for copywriting. How do you, because they like to say features tell, benefits sell. The problem is marketers, for whatever reason, all thinking, I guess not marketers, but entrepreneurs all thinking features instead of benefits. And again, you can see how robust this resource is. What else do we got? How to build business and performance projections for Google Ads. This is a big one. I do what's called a viability study. And when we have a new client or a new prospect, or if I've got a buddy who's like, oh, dude, I'm thinking about using Google Ads, then we've got this really handy-dandy calculator along with a tutorial on how to use the calculator. Do I show the calculator in the video? I don't. That's okay. That you can use in order to determine whether or not you can even be profitable based off of the projected cost of the traffic. The Pareto talent system, this is the thing I'm most proud of from an entrepreneurial perspective. You can figure out how exactly I hire, because I've got, I think the best system for finding and keeping amazing talent. Ultimate Guide to Google Ads for e-com. This might be a little outdated just because so many things have changed so recently, like an unbelievable amount of things. But still, again, great place to get started. Ultimate Guide to Google Ads for lead gen. Video scripts for YouTube ads. This is super valuable, super simple, but super, super valuable. Again, you can just see how robust this tutorial is as I scroll through it, but it helps you craft your YouTube video scripts if you're having a hard time figuring out what to say or how to say it. ROAS goal calculator. I'm pretty sure that Regina created this, so shout out to Regina. Also super valuable, obviously, for a bunch of reasons. Now, you'll know if you've been watching our content that we're not super keen on optimizing for ROAS standalone, but it's still really helpful to know what, from a cash in, cash out perspective, what you need in order to be profitable. How to set up conversion actions for Shopify using GTM. Super powerful, especially because Shopify likes to add everything as a primary conversion action. This was the 17 things I learned in 17 years. I didn't know my team put this up here. I love that. This was maybe the most positive response I've ever gotten on any piece of media ever. And then you can just download everything. You can have the whole kit and caboodle, all of it. And yeah, this is gated, by the way. And yeah, I'm going to send you emails, sue me or unsubscribe. I don't care. How do I close this light box? How embarrassing. I have no idea. Also, not on this list, and I should have my team add to the list, is our book, You versus Google. This was #1 for marketing and advertising on Amazon in the world, and you can have it for free. You can have it for free. You versus Google, the very unauthorized guide to Google Ads. And it's blowing up on the Amazons. But if you want to buy it, you can give us a little bit of money. It's $10 to buy on Kindle, $15 to buy on the paperback. I hate when I see this. Look at how many U's there are. They're just undercutting me. Oh wait, no, this is the wrong book. Qasim, you imbecile. We linked to the wrong book. Where's the right book? There it is. Aha! Okay. This is also cheaper than it's supposed to be because it cost me a ton. These are huge. I'll show you. Look at just, I mean, the print costs on these things are unbelievable. And their color, we had to do them in color because otherwise the black and white version is too hard to see. Which is funny because I grabbed a black and white version here. So anyway, you can go buy the book if you want to buy the book. $10 on Kindle, $20 on Amazon. Give me a rating, though, even if you get it for free. Please give me a rating. I would be eternally grateful. That's all I got. Go to sully.com/free-stuff. You can also, incidentally, check out our blog, our knowledge base, paid traffic mastery. What is this? What is this? How cool. I didn't even know this was up here. That's awesome. I hope this is helpful. I appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. I'll see you tomorrow. So I just celebrated 17 years in business, which is something that I'm really proud of and also makes me feel really old. But we posted one of the social graphics online and somebody said, well, what have you learned over the last 17 years? And it was a really jarring question because it felt almost like a challenge because part of me feels like I'm still just